Okay, I'm at the rehab house. Um, Earlier last month, I was noticing that we had a bird's nest inside that little locker right there, and I've been protecting it and obviously making sure that Mom and them had some food and stuff stacked around here. Don't tell Wanda, but there's seed all over the place. Anyway, um, but they eat it. That's the good news. Anyway, I've not been. I wanted to spy on the nest and put a camera in there, but I decided to leave them alone. So anyway, as of today, and it is now Sunday, I think the 7th or 6th of April. Anyway, it turns out that we've got 1, 2, 3, and there's a fourth one over there. So we have 4 babies. And Mom and them keep trying to bring them in through the fan, but they're not getting the hint. So somehow they've seen freedom in the window, and they're all poised there at the window. So to make life easier for them, I've opened the garage door, dun dun dun, and they still aren't getting the hint. But Mom and Dad will be here any second now, and they'll start cussing me out. So anyway, that is cool. We have 4 babies. I might smoke a cigar today, just for just in their honor. Look at them; they're beautiful. I know, buddies. I think I should come open that window. That might help. But you guys will freak out. Alright, I'm going to try it this way. Now, 1 up here. And we got the 3 of them down here. So I'm going to go ahead and try and open this up. Watch out, little buddy. Watch out. I need to get you off of here. You're just a baby. Get you from behind that thing too. There you go. Alright, I'm going to need an extra hand. What? I know. You got your little ear feathers still on. You're so cute. I know. I'm going to help you. I swear. I swear. Don't fly into the glass. Okay, I'm just stopping to get cute pictures. Let me get this window open. Okay, that's be the last I see from you for a while. But you're welcome to come next year, this time next year, alright? It will be a haven, a sanctuary for you and your kind. Oh hell, Lawanda's found me. I'm gonna open a window. Okay, there you go. Alright, now I can finish skipping in the window. Jumped on my hand. Come here. One's figured it out.
Oh, there he went.
A little higher. Come on, little buddy. Come on, get my hand. Right there. Right up there. Right up there. Jump up. Jump up. No. I'm not trying to train you. Right there. All right. 1, 2 down.
There's 2 more in here.
I know. Just finished another head count. All right, little buddy. Are you ready? Where's the other guy? I hear you over there.
By the window. On the bottom of the window.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see him. Okay. All right, here you go. This is going to feel strange for a bird. Fly, be free! Find Mom. You found that pretty quick. There's some babies.
Exercising their little wings.
Yay!
Those little brown thrashers are little.
No, they're not thrashers. Some kind of wren. I'll have to look them up.
Hey, go look at the tree, look. Oh, wow. That's so cool.
There's still one there waiting to go.
Still one, right? There's the last baby. All the other ones have made it all the way over to that tree. Fly, baby, fly. You could do it. You didn't save your life for nothing. Move, don't be cat food. That's what's left of the nest. That's actually pretty cool. I should have put a camera in here. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.